you want our worker or workers, then this is what we need you to do. Let's sit down and let's talk. At kapag hindi nyo kaya sundin to, then we will totally stop deployment. And maybe siguro pag-isipan later on, dahan-dahan tayo mag-pull out. And that's the only way to do it if I am to be asked. Palagi ko sinasabi rito, sana, na-lift na ba yung ban? Di ba? So, meron na bang bagong deployment sa Kuwait? Wala.
And yung ba may mga overseas employment experience and the skilled workers?
Yun nga, sir. Dapat wala muna eh. Why was it lifted? Di ba dapat wala muna? And then I've heard na last year, sana total ban hanggang hindi sila mag-ayos-ayos ng kanilang mga pag-uugali, ng kanilang sistema. Like I said, I would prefer or rather mawalan ng trabaho ang libo-libo kaysa naman ang kapalit noon isang buhay ng ating OFW. Sana naintindihan niyo ako. I get my point across.